Namaste. Today we are going to discuss about Yoga Mudra, which can be used for level 1 mild autism. So we will discuss about first the Yoga Mudras for mild autism, and in the second part we will talk about how pedagogically you can teach it to children. There are many studies and books written on yoga as a complementary means for dealing with autism. Yoga helps by balancing the nervous system, so it calms fight or flight responses in the child. It improves sensory integration, enhances emotional regulation, so that the child's focus enhances, anxiety comes down, there is an emotional balance and self-awareness. This helps for the child to follow the visual and verbal cues independently. It builds communication and social skills. Yoga helps to develop motor coordination and strength. It can also promote self-awareness and confidence, improving sleep and digestion too. It also creates a predictable, structured routines and engages the mirror neuron system. At last, yoga integrates mind, body, spirit connection. Now, teaching yoga mudras to children should be a playful exercise. So this episode will be in two parts. The first part, explaining type of mudras, and in the second part, we will discuss some playful pedagogical tips so that as a parent or a care provider, you can teach the children. This is an educational video and you need to talk to your healthcare provider before you teach this to the children. So let's begin. The first mudra is called as Jnana Mudra or gesture of knowledge. How to do it? Touch up the tip of the index finger to the tip of the thumb. Other three fingers gently straight. And place the hands on the knees, palms facing upward. Now, what are the benefits of Jnana Mudra? It improves focus, memory, and mental clarity. It calms the mind and enhances learning ability. It promotes mindfulness and self-control. The next mudra is called as Prana Mudra. It is the gesture of vital energy. How to do Prana Mudra? Touch the tips of ring and little finger to the tip of the thumb. Other two fingers remain straight. Keep the mudra on the knees or on the thighs and sit straight. What are the benefits of Prana Mudra? It boosts motivation, enthusiasm, and energy. It reduces fatigue and increases sensory alertness. It helps to balance emotions and promote overall vitality. The third mudra we are going to discuss is called as Vayu Mudra. This mudra is a gesture of air balance. How to do Vayu Mudra? Bend the index finger to touch the base of the thumb and press the finger gently with the thumb. And remaining fingers are straight. I will repeat. What are the benefits? It reduces restlessness, hyperactivity, and anxiety. It helps regulate movement and impulsive behaviors are regulated. It promotes calmness and steady focus. The next mudra we are going to discuss is called Apana Mudra or gesture of purification. How to do Apana Mudra? Touch the tips of the thumb, middle finger, ring finger together. Other two fingers are straight. I will repeat. What are the benefits? It enhances digestion and helps release toxins. It supports emotional release and relaxation. It calms irritability or frustration. The fifth mudra, what we are going to discuss, is called as Surya Mudra. This mudra is also known as the gesture of the sun. How to do Surya Mudra? Bend the ring finger, touch it to the base of the thumb, and press it gently with the thumb. You can see here all other fingers are extended. The benefit of this mudra is it stimulates metabolism and increases warmth and positivity. It reduces laziness or sluggishness. It improves confidence and motivation. The next mudra we are going to discuss is called as Hridaya Mudra, the gesture of the heart. To do Hridaya Mudra, keep the little finger straight. The benefits of Hridaya Mudra, it promotes empathy, bonding, and calmness. It relieves emotional distress and nervousness. It encourages compassion and connection with others. The seventh mudra is called as Varun Mudra. This is gesture of water. How to do this mudra? Touch the tip of the little finger to the tip of the thumb. Other fingers are comfortably straight. There is also a variation like this, but the easiest way is this. Benefits: it improves communication and expressiveness. It balances emotional sensitivity, keeps the body hydrated and mind flexible. The eighth mudra is called as Chinmaya Mudra, the gesture of awareness. How to do this? Curl the index finger to touch the thumb, and this is like a circle. Other fingers are forming inward and it touches the palm. Place hands on the knees, palms facing upward. The benefits: it promotes self-regulation and inner awareness. It increases focus and breath awareness, encourages calm, alertness, and body control. The ninth mudra is called as Dhyana Mudra. It is the gesture of meditation. How to do Dhyana Mudra? Place both hands on the lap, right hand resting on the left palm facing upward. Touch the tip of both the thumbs, forming a small triangle. Right, left resting on the left palm. Both are facing upward, and then touching the tips together. Keep the hand on the thighs. Benefits: it builds concentration and tranquility. It deepens relaxation and meditation. The 10th mudra is called as Jnana Prithvi Mudra. In this mudra, first you do Jnana Mudra and then take the little finger and touch the thumb and index finger. Other two fingers remain straight. So this is combining knowledge with the earth element Prithvi. I will repeat. What are the benefits? It provides grounding and sensory integration. It balances body's energy and focus, reduces anxiety, and enhances emotional steadiness. In the second part or the next video, we will talk about some playful manner about how to teach these mudras to the children. Because when these mudras are taught in a playful manner, it becomes a play, not a therapy. Thank you very much. Namaste.